Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, and I'm going to show you how to make this super simple and super inexpensive patriotic hat. The first thing I'm going to do is take my hat, and I've got a Dollar Tree scarf, and I'm just going to fold that over and bring it back around and tie it up there. And if you want, you could glue it on there, but I think this is going to be strong enough to stay without gluing it. Just tie a knot and let that hang. Now I'm going to put this aside. The next thing that I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire, just going to fold it in half and lay that down. I'm using the silver bow wire versus the gold because I think it will match better. Then I have a piece of my red tulle. I'm just going to lay that down into the Bowdabra. And then I have a piece of my white tulle. I'm going to lay that down. And then I'm going to take my blue tulle and we're just going to fold this back and forth and just make a big bow using my tulle. And I'm just eyeballing it as far as the length, but I'm probably going to use about 1.5 yards to 2 yards of my blue tulle. So we're just going to fold it, and you can see I'm just kind of weaving it in, making it smaller and graduating it as I go. And I'll do one more. And again, I'm graduating that one in and bring this back here. And I'll just make the little loop in the center by just, again, graduating it just a little bit in there. And I'm just gonna clip my tulle. I think I'm gonna clip my tulle. And take my wand to give everything a really good scrunch. Then I'll take my Bowdabra bow wire, bring this up, pull it through the slip knot, hold my bow down and pull it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. Pull it out. I'm going to separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and tie a knot, and double knot it. And then take my hat back over here. I'm going to just take this bow and kind of shape my loops out a little bit and just tie it, or you could glue it. It's whichever one you prefer. But I'm just going to tie it because I like to reuse and change the style of my hat depending on the time of year or what I'm using it for. So I'm just going to tie that, and I'm not going to knot it. I'm just going to tie a bow and clip the ends and clip this end here. And now you have this really cute little hat. So super simple and very inexpensive to make. I hope you liked it, and we'll see you in the next video.